about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for.
Freezing. That's the easiest it's been all day.
Yeah, I know. It doesn't go too quiet. Doesn't mean I can't stop.
No, that was roughly the idea that we got. I've got loads of routes now in that line. Some fictional. It's quite a slidey surface that. See that side of the dash because there's no lights at all fitted. Working at replacing switches and that. sis, ready?
Your handbrake light comes up.
It's firmly shoved in the hole now.
Centre.
It's not that good then, is it here?
We've got some.
Thank you very much.
You're doing with the spoon?
Yes.
Yeah, no.
Yes.
Alright.
Go straight round. We don't hang around on here. Check engine. You know, check engine lights for what else that. Engine's there. Bang! Bang!
Oh, it's still not gone off. Give it another. Oh, guess what? It's not working.
Cable ties fix this, but trust me. like, you can't use me anymore. Please stop. I remember this time, second lane here.
Yep.
I've got a mouse on board. My headlights are better than the bus to be able to work. Still go around, do the proper route. Wonder how far that dart made.
Can't see it, but it's all the way back.
Chris thinks that's something in this cupboard behind me. That's where all that module shaft is. If it's not the throttle or the brakes. Well, to be fair, it's not bad actually. It's picked up a little bit. I wish it stopped snatching my gears though.
Oh!
That's when my horn doesn't work in all space on the steering wheel. I'm so used to just being able to touch it there.
Sure, that's the dart.
No, that's another dart. That's them two ugly lads.
Oh,
I don't think they ever ran a service. I really need to fit the longer trumpets on this. It less sounds like a fucking noddy's coming and more move or you get. See, this is the way we were meant to come in when we came here. We're supposed to come in from this direction. So this is the direction we'll go home in. Okay. You got me off that home one.
huh?
That guy.
Oh, yeah.
Little detour. Where's this turning not going to take this?
Service aligned here. Oh, yeah. The service lights here. Christmas
not too
cracker.
sure, we're not from here.
Christmas cracker. Keighley Bus Museum doing the
Christmas Day, do they not do one?
Yeah, Christmas cracker.
Is that definitely?
Yeah, yeah,
Is that on
yeah,
Christmas
yeah.
Day?
No more than
Nice trip round, but I couldn't see much.
Where the hell we were, to be honest. Thanks a lot.
No worries, see you
So
again.
Christmas Day then.
Yep, Christmas
What
cracker.
time you starting? Dinner timing.
He's the guy to ask, love.
Right.
On the high vis.
Right,
Here.
so, thank you. $17.25 didn't run from spoons.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why?
Because I didn't see it go in there because I was sat in the window when I saw that on the someone else was going to be used.
What do you mean did the 1725 run? This was this one, wasn't it?
This was 1750, man.
Oh yeah.
That's it. That's it.
So it was the 25 one.
You were the 17.25?
No.
No. Who was it? Who was on it?
Which stop we picked up there? There's no one else there.
17.25, that was 353. Was that?
Oh, I saw that. It drove right past.
People should have.
It went straight past.
Did it go up Weatherspoons? Did it go up to Weatherspoons?
Yeah, it went straight past. We were sat in Weatherspoons. Well, then who moved from the thing did not reach? Well, it didn't stop there, and it wasn't. Like, it was later than that, I think. Yeah.
Well, I can't help us as being late.
But it didn't stop.
If that's
He absolutely
17.25.
caked it.
17.25 didn't run.
So they have a little run around. It's true. We'll have to wait.
I'll spin round and come back.
Yeah, okay, I don't have anything else for you since
That was nice to shut him off.
you what?
So it's been that, I mean, I'll just spin round and park it down here then for now.
Yeah, go for it. I don't need anything further behind that 119, behind the Halifax bus at the very end. That's it. So that's the last one, so just come and park in front of the court. Yeah, and then you can go when you're ready.
About 7 o'clock is what
Anything
we're
else?
supposed to do
Thank
with
you
it,
very
so.
much.
Thanks.
I don't think it's best place to play that, is it? Fucking pisser.
No, wait, Austin.
No, it was not.
If he's got time so that they need to leave at Weatherspoons, he needs to fucking tell us. Yeah, because we would have been the 55 because I motored it back here.
Yeah.
That gate's just closed, I won't need you.
Oh, it's a great life on the buses. No matter what the time of day, you'll see the world on omnibuses. We're on our way. There's so much feeling on the buses.